Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn series expansions. Okay. So, series already you have studied in 10th standard, so you know what it is. Okay. Sequence. What is a sequence? When you take terms, we get a sequence. Okay. You have learned arithmetic progression, arithmetic series, geometric series and all those. Okay. So, now today we are going to learn Taylor's series and Maclaurin's series. Taylor's and Maclaurin series expansion of a function which are infinitely differentiable. Appo, we can differentiate infinite number of terms. So, under this we are going to see this theorem, theorem 7.5, Taylor series. Let f of x be a function infinitely differentiable at x is equal to a. Then f of x can be expanded as a series in an interval x minus a comma x plus a of the form f of x is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity f raised to n of a by n factorial. This n denotes the number of times we are differentiating. Okay, n number of times we are differentiating here. So x minus a the whole power n. இதை expand பண்ணோம்னா n equal to 0 போட்டோம்னா f of a வரும். N equal to 1 போட்டா we get f dash of a by 1 factorial x minus a, etc. up to n equal to n போட்டோம்னா f raised to n of a by n factorial x minus a the whole power n plus etc. it goes because it goes up to infinity. Okay. அடுத்தது அதே மாதிரி மெக்லாரின் சீரிஸ். மெக்லாரின்ஸ் வந்து இந்த டெய்லர் சீரீஸில் a equal to 0 போடும். அப்போ a equal to 0 போட்டிங்கன்னா expansion takes the form f of x is equal to sigma n equal to 0 to infinity f raised to n of 0 by n factorial x power n plus f of 0 plus f dash of 0 by 1 factorial into x plus etc. up to f raised to n of 0 by n factorial x power n plus etc. Okay. A க்கு என்ன போடுறோம்? 0 போடுறோம். Taylor's series a equal to 0 போட்டா we get the Maclaurin's series. Okay, now we will see the proof of the theorem. Okay, so the series of f of x in powers of x minus a எழுதுவோம். So let f of x is equal to a naught plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity. Okay, n equal to 0 போட்டு எழுதுற டேர்மை தான் என்ன எழுதிடுறோம்? a naught ன்னு எழுதிடுறோம் into an into x minus a the whole power n. Okay, now putting x is equal to a. அப்போ x is equal to a இங்க போட்டாச்சுனாக்கா என்ன கிடைக்கும் உனக்கு? f of a is equal to a naught வந்துருமாமா? Because this term will become 0. Okay, so therefore what you get? f of x is equal to a naught. Okay, f of x is equal to a naught plus இதை எப்படி எழுதலாம்? அடுத்தது n equal to 1 போடுது. n equal to 1 போட்டா a1 into x minus a வந்துருமா? n equal to 1 போடுறோம். அப்போ what about the other terms? Sigma n is equal to 2 to infinity an into x minus a the whole power n. Okay, so this is how we write. So now differentiate this. We are going to differentiate this. So what is f dash of x is equal to a naught is a constant அப்போ அது 0. இங்க 0 plus a1 into 1 minus 0. 1 உடைய x உடைய differentiation 1, a differentiation 0 plus this we are going to differentiate. அப்போ இது என்னது? Sigma n is equal to 2 to infinity an into n into x minus a the whole power n minus 1. Okay, so now again substitute x is equal to a. அப்போ x is equal to a substitute பண்ணா what do you get? f dash of a is equal to a1. This term will become 0 now. Okay. So f dash of a is equal to a1 vandirchi. So what is f dash of x? F dash of x is equal to a1. a1 na eppadi eludhalam? 1 factorial into a1 nu eludhalama, because value for 1 factorial is 1. Okay. Plus you take this, n is equal to 2 podala. N equal to 2 potachna, what you will get? N equal to, so this is actually what? F dash of x is equal to 1 factorial into a1 plus, what is the next one? Sigma n is equal to 2 to infinity an into n into x minus a the whole power n minus 1. Okay. This is the term, because f dash of a is a1. So now what you get? So இதை எப்படி எழுதலாம் இப்போ? f dash of x is equal to 1 factorial into a1 plus 2 போடுமா, n equal to 2 போடுறோம். அப்போ என்ன வந்துரும்? n is 2. So 2a2 into x minus a the whole power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 plus, அப்போ அடுத்தது என்ன வந்துருது? Sigma n is equal to 3 to infinity வந்துருதா? 3 to infinity. Okay. n into an into x minus a the whole power n minus 1. So now you differentiate this. இதை differentiate பண்றோம். இப்போ இதை differentiate பண்ணா நமக்கு என்ன வந்துரும்? f double dash of x. So f double dash of x is equal to a1 is a constant, another 0. 2 can also be written as 2 factorial, because 2 into 1 is 2 factorial is 2 into 1. 1 factorial is 1. 2 factorial is 2 into 1, which is equal to 2. அப்போ 2 என்னன்னு எழுதுறோம்? 2 factorial னு எழுதி இருக்கிறோம். Okay. So 2 factorial into a2. Is it clear? So we are differentiating into 1 minus 0 plus sigma n is equal to 3 to infinity n into n minus 1 into an into x minus a the whole power n minus 2 vandruma. X power n, what is differentiation of x power n? N x power n minus 1. இப்போ differentiation of x minus a the whole power n minus 1 is n minus 1 into x power a the whole power n minus 2. Okay. So f double dash of x, we get this. What is this actually? F double dash of x is equal to 2 factorial a2 plus sigma n is equal to 3 to infinity n minus 1 an into x minus a the whole power n minus 2. Okay. So we have got this. Now again substituting x is equal to a. திருப்பி x is equal to a substitute பண்றோம். அப்போ x is equal to a substitute பண்ணும்போது என்ன வந்துரும்? f double dash of x. Okay. F double dash of x is equal to 2 factorial into a2 and plus 0. Okay. X is equal to a போடும்போது. So what you get from this? a2 is equal to f double dash of a by 2 factorial varuma. F double dash of a by 2 factorial. So what is f double dash of x now? So f double dash of x is equal to 2 factorial into a2 plus அடுத்தது how will you write? n equal to 3 போட்டு எழுதுறோம். So what is it? 3 factorial 3 into 3 minus 1 into x minus a the whole power x minus a into a3 plus sigma n is equal to 4 to infinity n into n minus 1 a n into x minus a the whole power n minus 2. Okay, careful paragama, then only you will understand. So what is this actually? F double dash of x is equal to 2 factorial into a2, okay, plus 3 into 2 into x minus a, okay, x minus a into a3 plus sigma n is equal to 4 to infinity n into n minus 1 a n into x minus a the whole power n minus 2. So 3 into 2 is nothing but 3 into 2, 3 factorial எப்படி எழுதுவோம்? 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 factorial 3 into 2 can be written as 3 factorial. Okay. So இதை இப்போ நம்ம திரும்ப differentiate பண்றோம். So what you get? Differentiating we get f triple dash of x is equal to a to 0 ஆயிரும் plus 3 into 2 can be written as 3 factorial a3 into 1 minus 0 okay, plus sigma n is equal to 4 to infinity n into n minus 1 x minus a the whole power என்ன தான் differentiate பண்றோம். So a into n minus 2, okay, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 a n into x minus a the whole power n minus 3. Okay, இது ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்காங்க. Y is equal to x power n இருந்துச்சுன்னா y dash is equal to n x power n minus 1. Okay, so this formula you should remember. Is it clear all of you? So differentiating like this, இது 3 times differentiate பண்ணிருக்கிறோம். So differentiating k times differentiate பண்றோம்னு வச்சுக்க, அப்போ what you will get? F raised to k of x is equal to k factorial ak plus sigma n is equal to k plus 1 to infinity. Yama k plus 1, see here, triple dash of x இருந்துச்சுன்னா n equal to 4 to infinity வருதா? அப்போ இங்க k எடுத்திருக்கிறதுனால என்ன வருது? n equal to k plus 1. Okay, k plus 1 to infinity n into n minus 1 etc. up to n minus k plus 1 a n into x minus a the whole power n minus k. Okay, so this is the theorem. Substituting x is equal to a, we get ak is equal to f raised to k of a by k factorial, which completes the proof of the theorem. Okay, hence proved. Is it clear all of you? So go through again and again, then only you will be able to understand. So now we are going to do problems based on this. So first we will do example 7.31. Expand tan x in ascending powers of x up to 5th power of minus pi by 2 less than x less than pi by 2. So f of x is equal to tan x minus pi by 2 is less than x less than pi by 2. So what about the Maclaurin series? So Maclaurin's series is What is the Maclaurin series? F of x is equal to sigma n equal to 0 to infinity a n x power n, where what is a n? A n is equal to f raised to n of 0 by n factorial. Okay, that is nothing but Maclaurin series is f of x is equal to f of 0 plus f dash of 0 by 1 factorial into x plus f double dash of 0 by 2 factorial into x square, okay, plus f triple dash of 0 by 3 factorial into x cube, plus it is asked to differentiate 5 times. Okay, 5 times up to 5th power we have to differentiate. So plus f4 of x, f4 of 0 by 4 factorial into x power 4 plus f5 of 0 by 5 factorial into x power 5 plus etc. Okay, now we are going to do this. So this is the Maclaurin's series. So remember, learn this very carefully. F of x is equal to f of 0 plus f dash of 0 by 1 factorial x. So how to remember? See here, this is 1 dash, x power 1 factorial plus f double dash. So 2 dash, 2 factorial x square, 3 dash, 3 factorial x cube, okay, 4 dash by 4 factorial x power 4. So all are 4 in each term. In each term same number you will be getting, okay. So remember this. So now we will do this. So first column we will write the function and its derivative. Okay, function and its derivative. And the second column will write derivatives. Okay, second column we will write the derivatives. Then the third column value at x is equal to 0. So this is tan x and its derivatives. So derivatives alone we will write, or will make table little simple. So function and derivatives, because no space here, derivatives, and here we have at x is equal to 0, okay, or you will write capital A, at x is equal to 0. So this is what we are going to do now. So first one is tan x, that is f of x. So f of x is what? Tan x. So when you take tan x, what is f of 0? F of 0 is tan 0 is 0. Then f dash of x. F dash of x, what is differentiation of tan x? Secant square x. And this secant square x, we can write it as 1 plus tan square x. Yes? Okay, in a book it's given in a different method is followed. You can either follow that and this to make you more understanding and make it simple. I am following this another method. Okay. So secant square x, we know that it is 1 plus tan square x. So what is this? This is equal to 1 plus f of x the whole square. Okay, f of x the whole square. So secant square x. So now you find the differentiation of f dash of 0. So what is f dash of 0? Secant 0. What is secant 0? Secant 0 is 1 by cos 0. 1 by cos 0, so it is 1. Okay, so listen carefully, calculations you can do by the side. So now we have to find f double dash of x. So what is f double dash of x? So இது சிம்பிளா எழுதிட்டோம் இல்லையா, secant square x தான் எப்படி எழுதியிருக்கிறோம், 1 plus f of x the whole square னு எழுதியிருக்கிறோம். இதை நீ இப்போ differentiate பண்ற. Differentiation of 1 is what? 0. And what is differentiation of f of x the whole square? It is of the form x square. X square க்கு differentiation என்னதுமா? 2x. அப்போ 2 into f of x into f dash of x. Okay, f of இப்போ y differentiate பண்ணா y dash, அதாவது dy by dx எழுதுறோம் இல்லையா, அதே மாதிரி f of x differentiate பண்ணா அப்போ என்னது, f dash of x. So 2 into f of x, f of x உடைய differentiation f dash of x. இப்போ நீ x க்கு 0 போடுற, f of 0 இங்க 0 போட்டுறோம், x க்கு 0 போடுறோம், f of 0 is 0 நம்ம பார்த்தாச்சு. Okay, this is f of 0 இல்லையா, இதான f of 0. So this becomes 0. Then we will find f triple dash of x. அப்போ f triple dash of x na we have to differentiate only this. அப்போ 2 into ரெண்டு term வந்துருச்சா, இதை u னு எடுத்துக்க, இதை v னு எடுத்துக்க. அப்போ uv the whole dash. So what is uv the whole dash? uv dash. அப்போ f of x into f double dash of x plus அடுத்தது f dash of x into f dash of x இல்லையா. அப்போ அது எப்படி எழுதிடலாம், f dash of x the whole square னு போட்டுடலாமா. இப்போ 0 போட்டு பாரு, f of 0, this term will become 0. So 2 into உனக்கு 0 வந்துரும் plus f dash of x. f dash of x is 1. அப்போ இது வந்து 1 வந்தது. அப்போ 2 into 1 which is equal to 2. Then f4 of x. So what is f4 of x? இதை நம்ம திருப்பி differentiate பண்ணணும். So 2 into, இங்க again 2 terms are there. So இதை u வச்சிக்க, இதை v வச்சிக்க. So f of x into f triple dash of x plus f dash of x into f double dash of x. Okay, plus அடுத்தது என்னது, f dash of x the whole square. அப்போ 2 into f dash of x into f double dash of x. Okay, so we have this. இப்போ நீ values substitute பண்ற, x is equal to 0 போடுற, this term will become 0, f of 0 is 0. அடுத்தது f double dash of 0 is 0, அப்போ இதுவும் 0 ஆயிரும். Then இங்கேயும் f double dash இருக்குது, so this also will become 0, so you will get only 0. Okay, so f triple dash f 4 dash of x is 0. அடுத்தது we have to find f 5 of x. So f 5 of x, this we have to differentiate again. அப்போ 2 into, இப்போ again uv method. அப்போ this is u and this is v. அப்போ what do you get? f of x into f4 of x plus f dash of x into f triple dash of x. இங்கேயும் 2 terms இருக்கு. So plus this you take it as u and this as v. So f dash of x into f triple dash of x plus f double dash of x the whole square வந்துரும் plus இங்கேயும் 2 terms. So this is u and this is v. So again ஒரு 2 into f double dash of x the whole square வந்துரும் plus f dash of x into f triple dash of x. Okay, you should do it very carefully, அல்லது you follow the book method. I feel the book method will be little difficult, so only I am teaching you this But when you do this, follow this method, you should do it very very carefully. Okay, carefully you have to do it. So because of space problem, we have to draw lines like this and do. Okay, இப்போ நம்ம 0 போடுறோமா? Okay, so இது வரைக்கும் இல்லையா, இதை நம்ம போடணும். இப்போ first f of 0 is 0, அப்போ 2 into okay, இந்த 2 வந்து எல்லாத்துக்கும் சேர்த்தது. இப்போ first term 0 plus f triple dash of 0 0 தான், அப்போ அடுத்தது 0 தான், plus அடுத்தது 0 தான், plus f double dash of x. F double dash of x is also 0. Okay, okay, f of x is 0, f dash of x is 1, but f triple dash, I made mistake here. Okay, நல்லா பாருங்கம்மா, f dash இங்க வந்து f of x வந்து 0, so you get 0. ஆனா அடுத்ததுல பாரு, f dash of x is 1, f triple dash of x is 2, அப்போ 1 into 2, இங்க 2 வந்துரும் நமக்கு. 2 plus அடுத்தது f dash of x is 1, f triple dash is 2, அப்போ இதுவும் 2 தான். So this is also 2 plus f double dash வந்து 0 plus இன்னொரு 2 வருது, 2 into f double dash வந்து 0 plus f dash of x வந்து 1, f triple dash வந்து 2, so 2. Then this is for whole. அப்போ நமக்கு என்ன வருது ஃபைனலா? 2 into 2 plus 2 4 plus 4. அப்போ 2 4s are 2 into 8 வந்துருது 16. ஓகே, கொஞ்சம் கேர்ஃபுல்லாக செய்யுங்க. So now we up to 5 times we have differentiated. Okay, we have differentiated 5 times. You can follow the book method also. So what is the series now? What is the formula? F of x is equal to f of 0 plus f dash of 0 by 1 factorial into x plus f double dash of 0 by 2 factorial into x square plus I am writing it again. Okay, on the top we have written already. Anyhow, we are not able to see now, so I am writing it again. X cube plus f4 of 0 by 4 factorial into x power 4 plus f5 of 0 by 5 factorial into x power 5 plus etc. So, இப்போ substitute பண்ணுங்க. What is f of x? Tan x. So, tan x is equal to f of 0 is 0. அடுத்தது f dash of 0 is 1. So, 1 by 1 factorial. 1 by 1 factorial is 1 into x plus f double dash of 0 is 0 plus f triple dash of 0 is 2. அப்போ 2 by 3 factorial x cube. f4 dash of 0 is 0 plus f5 dash of 0 is 16. 16 by 5 factorial x power 5 plus etc. Etc is very very important. You cannot stop there. Okay. So it is equal to now 1 by 1 factorial is 1. So x plus 2 by 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into x cube. அடுத்தது 0. அடுத்தது 16 by 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 plus etc. So here 4 2s are 8. It goes 2 times. Okay. So finally what is the answer? Tan x is equal to x plus இந்த 2 cancel ஆயிரும், x cube by 3 plus 2 by 15 into x power 5 plus etc. Okay, where x pi by 2 minus pi by 2 is less than x less than plus pi by 2. Okay, so do it very carefully. I have taught you only one theorem and one problem. So shall we see exercise 7.4? ஒரு சிம்பிளான கொஸ்டின் பார்ப்போம். So what we'll see, fourth one பாருங்கம்மா. Write the Maclaurin series expansion of the following functions. Now what is the function? F of x is equal to log of 1 minus x minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 1. Okay, so we will do this now. Log of 1 minus x. So we can put the table கொஞ்சம் நீட்டா போட்டிங்கன்னா நல்லா இருக்கும். In your notebook you can make it neat. Okay, so here f of x and derivatives in the first column. F of x and derivatives. Second column என்னது? Second column also we are writing the derivatives only. Okay, and the third column is at x is equal to 0, that is f of 0, the actual. Okay, at x is equal to 0 means it is f of not f of 0, f of 0, f dash of 0 எல்லாமே வரும். Okay, so at x is equal to 0 னே போட்டுருவோம். So what is the first one? F of x. So derivatives. Okay, here what is here also f of derivatives, f of x and derivatives தான். F of x and derivatives தான். So what is f of x? Log of 1 minus x. அப்போ at x is equal to 0, log 1 வந்துரும். Log 1 value is 0. Okay, f of 0 is 0. Then what we have? F dash of x. So f dash of x is what we have to differentiate this now. For log x oda differentiation 1 by x. அப்போ இது 1 by 1 minus x into minus 1. Now minus x இருக்குது. So minus x differentiation is minus 1. So this is minus 1 by 1 minus x. So minus 1 by 1 minus x, x க்கு 0 போடுறோம். So what you will get finally? X க்கு 0 போட்டா you will get minus 1. Then you find f double dash of x. So this we can also write it as இதை எப்படி எழுதலாம்? minus 1 minus x the whole power minus 1 ன்னு எழுதலாமா? உனக்கு differentiation ஈஸியா இருக்கும். So we are writing like that. So what is f double dash of x? So f double dash of x is minus of minus 1 into 1 minus x the whole power minus 2. Okay, into இன்னொரு minus 1. எது? Differentiation of minus x. So what is this actually? Minus into minus plus, plus into minus. So minus இது எப்படி எழுதிடலாம்? 1 minus x the whole square ன்னு எழுதிடலாம். So 0 போடு. What you will get again? Minus 1. So what about f triple dash of 0? Triple dash of x. So what is this? This is nothing but minus 1 minus x the whole power minus 3. அப்போ அதை differentiate பண்ணா minus 3 into 1 minus x the whole power minus 4 into minus 1. So what is this actually? Minus 3 by 1 minus x the whole power 4. So what you will get when you put x is equal to 0? Minus 3 we get. Okay, f triple dash of 0, f triple dash of 0 is equal to 2 minus 1. தப்பு பண்ணேன், differentiate பண்ணுறோம். Okay, this is 2. 1 minus 6. So this is 2 and this is also 2. So you get 2 here. Okay, you get minus 2. Clear? So this is 3. 1 minus 6, the whole power minus 3 into minus 1. Okay, so here through 3 times is enough because it is not mentioned in the question. So what is the formula now? F of x, what is the series? F of x is equal to f of 0 plus f dash of 0 by 1 factorial x square plus f double dash of 0 by 2 factorial x cube plus f triple dash of 0 by 3 factorial this is x and this is x square x cube plus etc. So what is the function given? Log of 1 minus x is equal to f of 0 is 0 plus f dash of 0 is minus 1. So minus 1 by 1 factorial into x plus f double dash of 0 is minus 1 again. So minus 1 by 2 factorial x square plus minus 2. Okay, minus 2 by 3 factorial x cube plus etc. Etc. is very important. Remember that. Okay, etc. is very important. So it is equal to minus x by 1 factorial is 1. The next one minus 1 by 2 factorial is 2 x square. Then minus 2 by 3 factorial. 3 factorial is what? 3 into 2 into 1. This is 2 factorial is 2 into 1. 1 factorial is 1 x cube plus etc. So which gives you finally log of 1 minus x is equal to minus x square by 2. Here 2 will get cancelled, minus x cube by 3 minus etc. Okay. So students, do it very carefully. Problems are very simple only, not that much difficult. If you listen carefully and do, you can do it. Okay, and make it fast also. Thank you students.